Guys, I got this box given to me by my parents. They got them from their parents. I don't think a lot of it's overwhelmingly old, but I wanted to show you some of the interesting tidbits we have in here. I find it really cool. You may not. I'm still kind of digging through it because we kind of have like one of everything in here. But I really wanted to show you guys some of the oddball stuff that I found. I kind of have it lined up some of it right here, just trying to get like the duplicates out or whatever. But some really interesting stuff for me anyway. Some of it I really haven't seen. So it's about as close as I can get you on this one. So like this is your standard 9mm. I don't know why it's in this collection. Look at this bad boy. If anybody knows what any of these go to, please hit me up in the comments. It's kind of a rimfire. It's massive. It's gotta be 50 cal. This was another one that I thought was interesting. I think it measured like 30 cal. Big rimfire bottom. This is a 223. This is a 222. Check that out. Oddball to me, anyway. We have some 357 Magnum. I don't know if you can read that or not. This thing will focus. Probably not. Anyway, you can see one has a primer strike. Look at something bad happened there with that big old wad cutter. Again, neat. We got a 30-06, 270, pretty normal. This is like a dummy or a snap cap. You can see it's got hits, but there's no real primer there, and the thing weighs a ton. And just super interesting. We have a bunch of 32 special. That is a weird one. I have never met anybody who has one. Maybe it's popular where you come from. And some other miscellaneous stuff. This is an old compass with this bayonet. Anybody knows what this is? Hit me up, let me know. It's kind of got the press it and lock type of mechanism. Really cool, really heavy. Some vintage Bushnell binoculars. This metal buttstock, brass, very heavy. I have no idea. This old vintage gunslick grease. There's a few more oddball cartridges. 32 ACP. Kind of an oddball. Not a lot of people have it. Some more 357. I don't remember the measurement of these, but just holding it in my hand feels a little more stout than a 45 ACP. I may be wrong. There it is beside the 9. It could just be 45 ACP, but that's what I got for stampings. Next to nothing. The bayonet, it is stamped number 4 MK2 5. If that helps. Anyway, guys, it's exciting to me. I thought it might be exciting to you. Again, if anybody knows what any of this oddball stuff is, you know, that's next to a 223. So, anyway, like, share, subscribe. If you know what something is, drop it in the comments. Have a great day.